City 1016 Unplugged on Drive Master Go-Go.
We absolutely love this part of the show. Season 6 of City 1016 Unplugged. And आज मेरे साथ रोहित नहीं. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 other boys in the studio.
4 more handsome boys.
4 more handsome.
Normally
You're
it's just
calling
one.
them more handsome than you.
Acha. Okay. And of course, we love doing this. This is when we get a band to perform live in the City 1016 studio. And of course, it's really exciting today to introduce you to the Jilmil band.
Yay! Welcome guys, welcome.
Thank you
we
very
have
much.
Famil, we have Nihas, we have Varun and we have Vishal, right?
Yes.
All names correct?
Yes.
Absolutely. So we'll find out why you name and call yourself Jilmil and on in a bit. Pehla song kaun sa hoga?
Okay. We'll start with Vishal Dadlani mashup.
Arey wah. Okay.
Okay, basically 2 songs of Vishal Dadlani.
Go for
of
it.
the Vishal Shekhar duo. Yeah.
Done. Go for it.
मैं हूँ गुमसुम तू भी खामोश है सच है समय का ही सब दोष है धड़कन धड़कन एक गम रहता है हो जाने क्यों फिर भी दिल कहता है
मदारी 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 मेरा तू वे जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा मदारी 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 मेरा तू जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा रे
है जिंदगी मानो दर्द भरी फिर भी इसमें ये राहत भी है मैं हूँ तेरा और तू है मेरी यूं ही रहे हम ये चाहत भी है फिर दिल के दिल से पुल क्यों टूटे हैं क्यों हम जीने से इतने रूठे हैं या दिल के दरवाजे हम खोले हो आ हम दोनों जी भर के रोले मदारी 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 मेरा तू मैं जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा मदारी 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 मेरा तू जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा रे जम्मूरा जम्मूरा झीले जरा कहता है दिल झीले जरा हम सफर हम नवा आपस झीले जरा
Wow. Harmony and all, huh? Not bad. Okay, so why Jilmil? Rohit thinks it's a Barfi ka inspired.
It has nothing to do with Barfi actually. It's by our friend Mr. Varun. He called this Jilmil because his Hindi is not that great. So he thought
So what
Jilmil,
was it supposed to be called?
it was he thought jamming in Hindi means Jilmil.
Hey, come on, let's do some Jilmil with the band.
You said it. That's how you went. Yeah, that's how you said it.
Jamming ka Jilmil, sir.
Yeah.
Arey, sir.
That's how good his Hindi is. Yeah.
Well done. Okay, so shall we move into one more song?
Yeah, sure.
Go for it. Which one? Lucky Ali?
Yeah, now we're gonna do a mashup of 2 album songs from the 90s. Yeah.
Lovely.
One of them, Lucky Ali. Yes.
Go for it.
90s, this is when I wasn't even born. Sir.
No, of course you won't.
मेरे लिए तो ये retro है.
Yeah, he's 5 years
We're
old.
talking about 1990, not 1890.
सर आपका माइक ये है ना
निहास।
ऑफ करता हूँ मैं अभी.
I'm sorry.
Nihas is my new best friend.
I see that cutting edge band, cutting edge. चलो. All right, come on, let's go for your 1990s mashup.
Okay. डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी, डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी। अब दिन गुजरते रहे रातें कटती नहीं, नजदीक से बात बनती नहीं, तू आजा। तुम जो मिल गए दिए जल गए मेरे ख्वाबों में, बन जाओ तुम मेरे हम सफर, ला 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 ला।
समझे जमाना के दिल है खिलौना, जाना है अब क्या है दिल का लगाना, नजरों से ना अब हमको गिराना, मर भी गए तो भूल न जाना।
बेवफा सुन बेवफा, बेवफा न जाना न जा बेवफा।
शाम सवेरे तेरी यादें आती है, आके दिल को मेरे यूं तड़पाती है, ओ सनम मोहब्बत की कसम।
Absolutely fantastic. You're listening to Jilmil live on City 1016 Unplugged Season 6. We've been getting amazing messages for you. Ismail just said, such an awesome band. We've got Rishu says, Jilmil, you guys are awesome. Meghna and I are saying that as well.
Yes, you guys are truly awesome. Of course, you're chilling with us in the studio for a little bit. लेकिन अभी के लिए
Babbar Shade, brought to you by
Nihas, who's on the vocals, Varun, who's on the vocals and guitar, and Vishal, who's on the djembe. That's how it's pronounced, no? Djembe. And of course, Vishal writes all your original song ke lyrics as well.
Yes, that's right.
So एक सुन ले आपका जो original composition है.
Sure.
Definitely.
हाथों में हाथ लिए चल पड़े, ख्वाबों के वो आसमान में, यूं ही तेरे संग गुजरे है ये जिंदगी। ना 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 na 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 na। सपने थे वो तेरे मेरे सपने थे वो, पलकों पे ते हर सवेरे सपने थे वो, मेरी जान कदमों पे तेरे रखी, ठोकर ऐसे दी जैसे मैं था अजनबी। दशते तन्हाई में जब रोना ही था, खुशियों का जश्न मनाया है क्यों, पलकों पे जब आंसू लाने ही थे, हंसना हमें फिर सिखाया है क्यों, वादे तेरे वादे झूठे थे ये सभी, बेबस खुशियों के आंगन में भी। जानू जानू ना मैं न जाने क्यों, जानू जानू ना क्यों न जानू मैं, दिल मेरा तोड़ा क्यों राहों में जोड़ा जानू जानू ना मैं न जाने क्यों जानू जानू ना क्यों न जानू मैं दिल मेरा तोड़ा क्यों राहों में जोड़ा
Wow.
Lovely.
That was you guys listening for the very first time to the original by Jilmil Band.
What's the song of the name of the song?
Sapne The wo, yeah.
Sapne The Wo. And Vishal, kudos on the lyrics, very well.
And the music is by him actually. The song, the tune is composed by him.
So Varun
himself.
composed it, Vishal
Wrote
wrote
the
the
lyrics,
lyrics.
yeah.
That's incredible. And guys, honestly, keep doing more original stuff. क्योंकि covers होते रहते हैं, बहुत bands cover करते हैं. But Rohit and I, we love the fact that you've actually made the effort of this original. It was lovely.
Thank you
We
very
also,
much.
Meghna and I also have an original song.
Yeah,
It's called Happy Birthday Facebook. It's available on the internet.
Yes.
Sure,
Check it out,
sure.
definitely.
No, don't check it. It's okay.
Okay, so guys, thank you so much for coming into the City 1016 studio. It's great to have you on City 1016 Unplugged Season 6. Remember, no vasta necessary. When you want to come into the studio, you just send us an email or a text message and we call you again for an audition. Now, we've got time for one more song.
जाते जाते.
All right? Give us something while we say, हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.
Vishal, you're singing this time?
No, I'm not singing.
Okay.
I just introduce what song we're going to play.
Okay.
That's Fir Mohabbat. This is a Jilmil version of Fir Mohabbat.
Jilmil version.
Yeah.
All right.
We hope you guys enjoy it.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Go for it.
अब तेरे पास मैं आया एक सुकून मिला जिससे मैं था भूलता आया वो वजूद मिला जब आए मौसम गम के तुझे याद किया हो जब सहमे तन्हापन से तुझे याद किया ऐसा क्यों कर हुआ जानू ना मैं जानू ना
संभल जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू यही रुक जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू जिस राह पे है घर तेरा अक्सर वहाँ से था मैं हूँ गुजरा शायद यही दिल में रहा क्यों मुझको मिल जाए क्या पता
क्या है ये सिलसिला जानू ना मैं जानू ना हो
दिल संभल जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू
यही रुक जा जरा
फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू
Fantastic!
Heard for the first time, that was Jilmil in the City 1016 studios. Guys, thank you so much
Thank
for
you
coming
very much.
in.
It was
Being
amazing.
here.
It was amazing to perform here on City 1016. We actually see this as a platform, a big one.
It is.
And and we hope to take it somewhere from here and make something out of this. Thank you very much for having us, and it was honestly a pleasure and an honor.
You
You
guys-
guys rock as well.
Thank you,
Rohit,
man.
Meghna, you guys rock.
Thank you. And you've made the promise in front of everyone, so you've got to do something about this, guys. Okay? If you've got
Yeah.
talent, it is a crime not to use it. Okay? So Come up with your original songs as well. Share them with us, and let's see what we can. And we wish you guys the very best of luck. And let's see what we can do for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
This is City.